Hi friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to do a beautiful bronzed summer look while sharing all my new favorites from recent Sephora sale hauls, including this Patrick Star One Size B12 Luminous Base Thinner that I've been mixing with the Hourglass Veil Hydrating Skin Tint Foundation. This dream duo blends effortlessly and gives my skin just enough glow. The tint is really lightweight, and according to Hourglass, it boosts moisture levels by up to 52% for a dewy glow. On me, it actually seems to get better as the day goes on. It kind of marries with my skin. I'm really liking this combo.
I'm always trying my best. 내게 원하던 대로. But the world just won't let me alone.
And then using this Sarah Creel Face Flex Concealer has truly changed the game for me. I don't know what kind of magic she put in this, but it is one of the few concealers that sits beautifully under my almost 54-year-old eyes, masks out the red, purple, and blue, and lasts all day without creasing, and doesn't seem to age me 10 years like some do, even though it contains caffeine, which can sometimes dry my under eyes out a little bit. This does not do that. This is medium coverage, and it really lives up to those claims. If you've not tried this one, I think it's a great option. It's incredible.
No one can truly see inside. No matter I understand you.
I've also been loving the new Westman Atelier bronzing drops. It does take a moment to blend these out, especially if you use way too much like I just did. Oops. But this bronzer literally melts into the skin, and it is so worth the blend. Gucci Westman claims that these leave the skin with a wash of sun-kissed warmth, and I think that description is spot on. Really loving these bronzing drops. I feel like a bronzed goddess when I use this one, you guys. So even though I didn't get this Benefit brow pencil recently, it is a favorite of mine. So I thought I'd just go ahead and include this footage just for funsies. Everything used in this video will be listed in the description box below. Also, if you want to see me swatch the Too Faced eyeshadow sticks that I'll be showing you in just a few minutes, I'll link that short video for you as well. Okay, so I have a disclaimer. If you're seeing the dark smudges on my forehead, please know this is nothing from anything that I'm using in this video. I've actually been testing out some items for my hair, like, filling in the gray and filling in sparse spots. And it seems like my brush must have caught some of that color. And well, those are the smudges you're seeing on my forehead, guys. So anyway, let's go ahead and continue. I absolutely adore this Gucci Luminous Blush. It is a beautiful, elegant wash of color that's very buildable. I have the shade Silky Rose, and this has been my daily go-to blush. I seriously want every single color, but my poor wallet says absolutely not, at least for now.
많은 밤을 지내고 너는 내게 말했지.
So these new Too Faced Quickie Queen shadow sticks are so soft and easy to blend, and they last at least 6 hours on my dry, crepey lids with very little creasing. And that's a huge win in my book, especially for these mature hooded puffy lids. And there's something about this chocolate shade. The tone is perfection for me. It doesn't lean too warm or too cool, but lands somewhere in the middle. And I love that inconspicuous dust of shimmer as well. I did do a short video swatching all of these. So again, if you want to see that video, I'll go ahead and link that down in the description box for you as well.
No one can truly see inside. No matter I
I have a few shades of this Armani Beauty Eye Tint Long Lasting Liquid Eyeshadow. This one is in the color Sparkle. It's number 67S. This is a bright champagne shimmer, and these are phenomenal. I'm using just a tiny bit of this rubbed between my two fingers and then plopping that on my lid for just a tiny bit of extra shimmer. These last all day long. They are completely crease proof, at least on my lids, and I have dry, crepey, mature lids, so these are a win-win. You can't go wrong in my opinion. They last all day. Can't wait to get more shades. Now, the Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlighter has been a favorite of mine for years. I've tried so many others, but always go back to this beauty. It glides on, doesn't irritate my eyes, stays all day, and the universally flattering nude color just does something special in the waterline. This is gel liner perfection, in my opinion. I'm just adding in a little of that chocolate sparkle color from the Too Faced eyeshadow stick under my lower lash line. And I'm going to smudge that out a little bit with a small brush. What I'm loving about this Gucci highlighter is its subdued elegance. It just becomes part of the skin, giving that lit within glow. You won't get a bam in your face highlight with this, but if you're looking for sophisticated glow, this one is about as sophisticated as it gets. I like using this one on the middle of my bottom lip after applying lipstick, as you'll see a little later in this video. So keep watching.
And then everything
This Glossier lip liner goes on so smoothly. It lasts through at least 2 morning coffees, and I absolutely love this color. And it pairs perfectly with the new Tom Ford Soleil lip balm I picked up. I first picked this up in the color 01 Rendezvous, and I love it so much. I picked up another color, which is what I'll be using for you today. This is the color number 02 Jet Set, and this is an orange coral color, which I thought would pair perfectly with this bronzy summer look. For me, these lip balms from Tom Ford are the creme de la creme, with these gorgeous shades that provide just a whisper of color. I'm obsessed with these, and that's why I bought 2 of them so far.
No one can truly see inside. No matter
I hope you all have enjoyed watching me apply some of these new favorites I have from my Sephora hauls. Let me know if you'd like to see another video with more favorites. I have so many, and I've got some really gorgeous hair care products that I want to share with you. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a beautiful day, my friends. Bye.
be around.